Good morning, student. Myself Pushpa Negi, and today I am teaching you entrepreneur for class 11th. Though I explained you two chapter earlier, this is chapter 3rd. I am started. This is unit 3rd, entrepreneur journey. Okay. In this chapter, we will study about how the entrepreneur journey, how he work for his whole life, how he run his business, what are the business plan he do, how he start his venture, and the society and family, what are the role they play in his growth. Okay, and how he make a business plan for future, for better, and how he get the success, what are the reason behind his success and failure of business plan. So all these things he will take in his journey. And at last we will study in this chapter, understand the organization and direction of activities in a business venture, how he run his venture, what are the problems comes while he is running his venture. There is a case in beginning of this unit has given example of Nandita Bijor. She's a simple worker, and due to of his hard work, his good strategies towards his work, she able to establish a well venture. He established his successful business venture. She learned a great deal from her mistakes and fault, confident to run a successful business venture, and she has successful running her business now for the past 9 years. Okay, so there are some advices she has given to the new entrepreneurs, that we don't give up, keep it to succeed, pay the creditors, supplier, vendors on time, it builds credibility. Okay, treat employees like family, those who are working in his those who are working in a particular firm, the businessman should take to people as a family member, then only he or she get benefit. If employees are happy, one's business will be successful. It is the advice which Nandita has given to the new entrepreneur. Okay, there are so many problems she faced while she ran his business. She become the famous businesswoman, and she not look back to his failures. Okay, now there is the topic started of this chapter, self-assessment of qualities, skills, resource and dreams. This topic is eliminated in this time. Okay, so let me start this chapter from business ideas. So even though research tells us new or the small firms are less likely to engage in formal or structured environment research, the fact is that creating and evaluating business ideas is an important step in the entrepreneur process. किसी भी entrepreneur की success depend करती है कि उसका starting उसने कैसे किया है और क्या उसकी strategies रही है, what are the planning he has done, बिकॉज प्लान आपको उस लेवल तक पहुंचाती है जहां पर आप पहुंचना चाहते हैं. अगर आपकी प्लानिंग में कोई डिफिकल्टी है, कोई प्रॉब्लम है, देन इट बिकम वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर द एंटरप्रेन्योर टू रीच एट द ऑब्जेक्टिव. सो हियर वी हैव misconceptions and realities. Entrepreneur's journey books and available literature are filled with stories of entrepreneurs. We have lots of entrepreneurs we have seen. Okay, their failures also we know, their success also we know, but we have to be take the good thing from them. And वन थिंग वी हैव टू बी, एक चीज़ हमें उनका ध्यान देना है कि जो उनके आइडियाज़ थे वो बहुत ग्रेट हुआ करते थे. बिकॉज ऑफ देयर ग्रेट आइडियाज़ दे स्ट्राइकिंग इट रिच, वो अपने को अमीर बनाने में उनको वो हेल्प किया उनका वो आइडिया. तो हाउएवर टेंड टू गिव अ फॉल्स इम्प्रेशन अबाउट ग्रेट वर्केबल आइडियाज़. सो दीज आर द सम आइडियाज़ विच helps to get the success as you want. So first of all, great ideas just appear out of now here. So the reality is that the best idea generator tend to do so in a structured systematic way. हमें कोई भी काम अगर करना है तो उसको एक सिस्टमैटिक ढंग से करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. ये उसका किसी भी एंटरप्रेन्योर की सबसे पहले एक सक्सेस होती है कि वो प्लान जो भी कर रहा है एक सिस्टमैटिक ढंग से करे. दे डोंट वेट फॉर द थिंग टू हैपन, but instead approach idea generation as to top priority activity to devoting sufficient period of time to it. किसी भी काम को अगर हम करते हैं हमें उस काम के प्रति, उस आइडिया के प्रति पूरी तरह डिवोट होना चाहिए, पूरा तरीके से हमें उसके साथ लगन के साथ काम करना चाहिए, तभी हम सक्सेस गेट कर सकते हैं. Now second, there are no illogical ideas. The reality is that many ideas may not be very good, though to prevent other offers feeling that their contribution are not valued. The belief is that all ideas should be approached as worthy. कोई भी आइडिया रफ नहीं होता, हमें अपने आइडियाज़ को स्ट्रांगफुली सोचना चाहिए और प्लान करके आगे बढ़ना चाहिए. नाउ दिस मच इज टुडे.